Do I need to be an apprentice working for another gunsmith before I take a gunsmithing course? I would say that no, you don't have to work for another gunsmith as an apprentice before you take the gunsmithing course. In fact, I think you'd be about well served to go through the American Gunsmithing Institute's training first. If you then want to work with another gunsmith, a couple of things. One, you'll know whether or not he even knows what he's talking about, because there's many gunsmiths that have not been trained in design, function, repair. Frankly, after school, I worked with some of them, and I was kind of surprised. They could do a pretty good job on some woodworking and a little bit on metalworking, but they really didn't know how to repair firearms unless it was really straightforward. So get the knowledge of design, function, repair. Plus, there's a couple of problems when you're working under someone. You know, sometimes they're just not a good teacher. They don't know how to teach. They may be very good at what they do. They just aren't patient and don't know how to teach. But if you come in with the knowledge of design, function, repair, and all the different aspects of training that we provide you, customization, machining, welding, and so on, a good mentor then will help polish that and help you do even better. And so it's not a bad thing to have a mentor to work under, but many people do not have the patience and the ability to actually instruct someone from the ground up. So again, design, function, repair, training from the American Gunsmithing Institute, A to Z, learn your skill set before you walk in the door, and you'll get more benefit out of working with or for another gunsmith.